Alright, lunch is over. Gonna make myself a mocha. And how do you make a mocha in a truck camper? Well, here's how I do it. I use Classico or Taster's Choice. And using one hand to hold the camera and one hand to get a scoop, I do that. Look at that, right into the cup of coffee. All this is being done one-handed, fumbling a camera in the other hand. Then I walk over here to the pantry and I grab some Hershey's cocoa. Then we grab the same spoon and we get a scoop of cocoa. See how much that is? A well-rounded spoon. Then put the lid back on the cocoa and replace into the pantry. Then we grab the sugar and we put in, roughly eyeballing, about the same amount of sugar as cocoa. And if you want, for just a twist, you can grab a little bit of cinnamon and you just put in a dash. And that's it. Just the littlest dash will give a nice flavor. So now we are just waiting for our water to boil. Yeah, it's probably close enough right now. Hear that water, hot water, and into the cup we go. Kill the heat. Give it a stir. Okay, now you do not necessarily have to use milk. It's a misconception that you have to have milk for the mocha. Let's see what it tastes like. Tastes great. But if you want milk, but you don't have any milk, I do have this vanilla ice cream that has been in here ever since the RTR, and I've hardly had any of this. I bought it because I bought West Coast Roller a pecan pie. Him and Bobby had me over for dinner, and so I thought I would contribute something. So there we go. And that little bit of ice cream will give it just a little bit of creaminess for those that have to have it. And then I just rinse off my fork here. It's just me living here, so it's clean enough for that. And if I had people in here, I would go to much greater lengths of cleaning. But sticking a fork in boiling hot water with ice cream and then rinsing it off in hot water and wiping it down with a paper towel, probably good enough. And there we go. We have a mocha with just a pinch of cinnamon in the truck camper. Cheers. That's good. Okay.